7 discussion. In the arithmetic sequence 60, 56, 52, 48, starting from the first term, how many terms are needed so that their sum is 368? Okay. Now let's mark what is given in this problem. It's an arithmetic sequence. A is 60, that is T1, T2 is 56. Okay, the remaining is not required because they've already told you it's arithmetic sequence. And their sum is 368, Sn is 368, and we are asked to calculate how many terms. That is, we are asked to calculate Sn, and the key point is starting from the first term. So all our formulas are applicable. If they don't start from the first term, we have to convert it to in a way such that the series starts from first term. Okay, because all the formulas are based on starting from first term. So that is there. Okay, which means we can use the formulas. So let's list out what is given. A equal to 60, T2 equal to 56, Sn equal to 368. Okay, and we need to calculate n, that is the number of terms in the series. So what is the formula? Formula is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But if you look at it, Sn we know, a we know, but the value of Sn we know, but the n is not known, right? So in this equation, n and d are not known, so which means we cannot use this equation as of now. So let's calculate d. So d is T2 by T1. Sorry, T2 minus T1. So here T2 we know, T1 we know. T2 is 56, T1 is 60. So d can be calculated. So once d is calculated, substitute the d here, and then you get this equation. Everything will be known except n. So which means n can be calculated. Okay. So let's put the steps out for it. So step 1. Okay, let n be the number of terms. Calculate the common difference, d equal to T2 minus T1. Substitute the value of a, which is 60, d, which is calculated in step 1, Sn, which is 368 given here, in the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and calculate n. So it's more of a substitution problem. Only thing is that they have not given all the variables. They have made us to calculate d and then use it. Okay, so what I suggest is you stop the video here and try to work this problem on your own, and on completion please come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, so our solution: a equal to 60, T2 equal to 56, and Sn equal to 368. Common difference d is T2 minus T1, that is 56 minus 60, so that's equal to minus 4. So let n be the number of terms, and the sum of n terms is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this equation, everything is known. Sn is known, 368, a is known, 60, d is known, minus 4. Only n is not known. So we should be able to calculate that. So substitute all these values. This equation becomes 368 equal to n by 2, 2 into a, that is 2 into 60, plus n minus 1 into d, the d is minus 4. So this equation will become n by 2, 62s are 120, this is minus 4n and plus 4. Okay, so 120 minus 4n plus 4, and n by 2 equal to 368. Take this 2 to the other side, it will go up. So you will get n into 120 plus 4 is 124. So this is 124 minus 4n. So 124 minus 4n equal to 368 into 2, that is 736. Now what you have to do, you multiply it. So you will get 124n minus 4n square will be 736. Or you can bring everything to this side. So let's make n square positive. So 4n square minus 124n plus 736 equal to 0. And you see 4 is common in all these three. So dividing throughout by 4, we get 4 will go this side, so it will become n square, and 4 will go 31 times here. Okay, and 4 will go once 1, and then 33, 8, 184 times. Okay, so the equation becomes n square minus 31n plus 184 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We need to solve this to get the value of n. I'm carrying forward the last step for easy continuity. Okay, so now 184 needs to be factorized because constant and the coefficient of 1 is 184. So we need to factorize this, find the factors of 184 in such a way when you add or subtract you will get minus 31. What is 184? That is 23 into 8. Minus 23 into minus 8 is 184. Minus 23 minus 8 is minus 31. So you have to write minus 31 as minus 23n minus 8n. Now from these two terms you can take n commonly out, so it becomes n into n minus 23. And from these two also you should get the same, then only you will be able to go to the next step. So we have to get n here. Okay, so if you want to take get n, so you have to take minus 8 out. Minus 8 out means you will get n. So take minus 8 out from these two terms, it will become minus 8 into n. Okay, and minus, this will become minus because this is plus, it will become minus. When you take 8 out of 184, it becomes 23. So it is n minus 23. And n minus 23, we can take it out, so it becomes n minus 8. So n minus 23 into n minus 8 equal to 0, or n equal to 8 or n equal to 23. So these are the two possible values of n for which the sum of the series is 368. That is S8 equal to 368 or S23 is also equal to 368. You might be wondering how that is possible. That is basically because it is a negative, D is negative. So you are starting with a big number, and then what will happen? It will come to 368, then the sum will go to 0, and then at 23 again it will come back actually. So that's basically because of the negative value of D. Okay, so let me repeat, or let's just take a look at it. So basically what they are saying is, we are asked to calculate how many terms are there. So you use this formula, first calculate D and then use this formula, and in this formula when you use, you get a quadratic equation in n. It's more of a solving the quadratic equation. Now I'll come to you, you might be asking, how did you find 23 into 8 is equal to 184? Okay, the best way is start from smaller number 2. 2 is 91, right? 92. So 92 plus 2 or 92 minus 2 does not get you 31. So you have to get move to bigger numbers. 4 goes 44 times. So 44 plus 4, no, it doesn't work. Then 6 does not go. Once 4 is divisible, then 8 also is likely to be a divider. So divide this by 8, you will get 8 is 2, 16, right? So 2, the remainder is 2, 24. So it will go 23 times. And 23 plus 8 is 31. Okay, so that is how you find this number. But because it is 184, it is minus 23 into minus 8. Okay, and that is how you'll have to find the factors. Start from smaller number and keep moving forward, you will be able to get it. Okay. So I hope this problem is clear now. So please check your working against the solution. If there is any error, please make suitable corrections. If your concept is not clear, please go back to the discussion part of the video and review it. Thanks for watching this video.